Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to see your sent invitations to events on LinkedIn on your PC, following the latest updates. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, so let's dive right in and get you navigating LinkedIn like a pro. First, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll spot the My Network icon there. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, on the My Network page, look for the Grow section. Clicking Grow will display all your invitations. This is where LinkedIn compiles all your connection-related activities, making it a central hub for managing your network. Next to the Invitations heading, you'll see a Manage button. This is your gateway to seeing both invitations you've received and the ones you've sent. Click on Manage to proceed. Once you've clicked Manage, you'll be taken to a page where you can toggle between Received and Sent invitations. Since our focus is on the invitations you've sent, click on the Sent tab. This will display a list of all the connection requests you've sent to other LinkedIn members that are still pending. Now, to view the invitations you've sent specifically to events, look for the Events category within the Sent tab. This section filters your sent invitations to show only those related to event invites. Here, you'll find a list of all the events you've invited people to that they haven't yet responded to. From this page, you can also withdraw invitations if you've changed your mind or want to resend them later. Keep in mind that LinkedIn prevents you from resending an invitation to the same person for about 3 weeks after you withdraw it. This is to prevent spamming and give recipients a break from repeated requests. And that's it. You now know how to see your sent invitations to events on LinkedIn. This is a handy way to keep track of your networking efforts and ensure you're making the most of LinkedIn's event features. By managing your sent invitations, you can maintain a clean and effective network, making it easier to connect with the right people and opportunities.